Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. Today we're about to go out to the Gray Gables, the old big house over next door, and where the car gets pulled in and out of the garage the last 12 years. There are black streaks where the tires go in and out of the garage. Looks terrible. And then where the tires park, there's spots about yay big around. Oh, about like that. It's just really dark and ugly. So we're going to go out and take some super clean and try to clean those things. And I thought, what the heck, this is a fantastic time to do another giveaway, a super clean giveaway. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to have one winner this time. And what they'll receive is one original bottle spray, one original aerosol spray of the super clean. And this stuff, man, this is great. I've never had anything that wouldn't clean so far. When I get grease on my breeches and shirts, instead of using the old, I won't call any names, but instead of using the other stuff, I just wet it down with this, let it sit for 20-30 minutes, wash it, comes right out. Great stuff. I mean, it's like it says, it dissolves grease, super easy, super fast, super clean. So let's get on with it, and I'll tell you how I'm going to operate this thing, just like I do in all my super clean contests and other contests. It's going to be really simple. Choose a number between 1 and 1,000, and the person that gets nearest without going over, or if they get the number, and I'll have some kid to choose a number, and I'll use that number for the contest. All you got to do is just guess that number. Don't make any comments. Just go down in comments below, put your number. Let's say you guess 500. Don't put in there, thank you for letting me join, and I appreciate all your comments, believe me. But all I want you to do to make it easier for me to get to the winner is put down 500. That's your guess. That's all we need. And if you win, when we draw the winner in 30 days, then we will of course contact you, and we don't contact you until there's a winner. So if you get anybody else contacting you, don't respond to them. Just respond to Max's Garage Mahal, and then we'll contact you once you give me your email, and we'll email back and forth, or you can call me and chat on the phone, text, whichever. But anyway, we'll get your address and get these things sent out to you. So we appreciate it. And in the meantime, let's go to the Gray Gables over there, set up the camera, spray that stuff down, see if we can't get that cleaned up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, here we are over in Gray Gables, and I'm going to show you where these tires have parked for the last 12, 13 years. And there's some little spots here and there that I've got on it. And there you can see the floor. Here's where when the engine had an oil leak around the oil filter base. So I've got that cordoned off. I was going to use 3 different or 4 different solutions and see which one's best. And here's one I'm going to work on right now. So let's get this set up on the tripod and get with it and be right back. Alright, here we go. This can's nearly empty. I've been using this for a long time, and where it gets stored, it's not where I'm always at, so it hadn't emptied, and it's probably 3 years old. But all right, we're going to get a good dose on this because it's pretty bad. And then we're going to let it sit for a while, do its thing. I can already see it's starting to bubble up. Alright, now we'll get out some spray foam, or spray, original spray in the pump. as you can see right here. I can't see where it's at on the camera because I don't have the monitor on. It's over, the monitor's over in the studio. So here we go, we're going to get right in here with this. Hopefully you can see this. And we're going to give it a good dose. Wet it down real good. And from my experience with the foam and the original pump, is difference is you get to pump it with your hand, and you can pinpoint it where you want it, so you don't end up having to spray a foot wide area if you don't need it or don't want to waste your solution. This stuff is not the cheapest on the market. It's certainly not the most expensive, but in my opinion, I've used a whole bunch of different things, and this stuff seems to work really, really well. And I thought I'd show it to you while we're doing this giveaway. And you get right in there too. I think I missed that, looks like. And we'll just get that good and wet and let that soak in. And I didn't bring a broom over, so we're not gonna help this stuff out. And we're gonna shoot ourselves in the foot with it, because I'm not using a broom on it or brush on it like you're supposed to. So I want you to see how much you get off without taking any extra effort to do anything other than just let it wet and soak. I want to make sure it's got plenty on there so it'll soak in. You can see over here on this, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can see where that's turning brown coming up through the solution. And that's what it's supposed to do. So let's let that set a while. We'll come back. We will just take some water in a glass and pour that on there. We're not going to spray it down or anything because it's inside the house. Walls are all painted white. There's a white truck sitting over there, so we don't want to ruin anything. So we're going to let this stuff work in. We'll come back, show you what it's doing. So we'll be right back. Okay, folks, as you can see, I did hit it with a broom. And I did it just real lightly. My cancer is really kicking my butt today, so I'm just barely sweeping it like this. And I can see that the stain is disappearing, but it's still, I think it needs a second or third dose to really get soaked into the concrete. And I'm going to let that dry, completely dry, before we pour water on it, see what the water does before it's cleared off the coloration. And I don't know how I'm going to get the water up. Don't tell the missus, but I'll get it up somehow. So we'll be right back. Alrighty, that's what she looks like before she dries. As you can see, it's still really, really wet, and the really bad spot was right there. And it's coming up, but as with all concrete, it stains, so they won't all come up. But it's already so stinking clean that the squeegee won't hardly go across the floor, so that tells me we're getting somewhere. And what I might do, as I said earlier, is shoot this with another dose just to see if it'll come up. I'm not really expecting it to, but right here, as you can see, right here where the tire sits, it's already turned a blue-gray instead of black. And so I just need to work right over here where the tire has gone. And but where it sits the most, it's looking real good. So we'll come back and show you what that looks like in a little while. Alrighty, boys and girls, I call that a success. I am probably at some point in time when I get the other three, I'm gonna go ahead and give that one more dose, because right here where the tire normally goes looks pretty good, but over here for some reason she had something on the tires that got really deep into the concrete. But you run your fingers over it and it sticks like, not sticks like gummy stick, sticks like you're rubbing it over something really clean, like a squeaky. So I'm going to call that clean, but I'm going to go back and see about getting more stain off. So go ahead, enter for your free super clean. One's in a spray can, one is in the pump, original pump. And it's free to enter, doesn't cost you a thing. Even the mailing comes to you free. And all you need to do is just choose a number, whatever your number happens to be, between 1 and 1,000. Excuse me. Cancer sucks. If you go over whatever the chosen number is, the winning number, you won't win. But if you choose just below it, or the number, the one gets closest to the winning number wins the 2 items. It'll come right directly to your door. I will contact you via the message underneath the video to let you know. If I don't get an answer back within 24 hours, then I'll go to the next closest winner and I'll contact them and we'll get this stuff out to you. We appreciate you coming, appreciate you watching. Hope that you will subscribe, share, hit that little bell so you get notified next time I do a video if I'm capable. Cancer really is not fun, but I'm getting by, I'm making it, and I'll keep doing videos as long as I can. We appreciate you guys coming out, and as we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back and see us now, you hear?